Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can buy crypto on MEXC exchange. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course log into your MEXC account, and once you've logged in, you should see this option or tab right here. And what you will have to do is just click quick buy and sell or buy crypto, something like that. And once you click that, you will be asked to select your currency and then your payment method, which is either your card, bank transfer, P2P, or whatsoever. And then what you will have to do is you will basically just enter the amount and review the fees and then click buy USDT or whatever it is that you will be receiving. And yeah, that's basically just it. And you will complete the verification if needed, and the crypto will appear in your wallet instantly or within minutes. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.